The most dangerous thing for a thought leader isn't being too smart, it's making your audience feel stupid. Competence often creates distance. Story Hook Method crushes it. I'm Brigham Blackham. I help thought leaders build confidence in their communication, turning boring stories they used to apologize for into their biggest assets. I've trained thousands of entrepreneurs and helped authors reach top seller status by mastering one key thing: the bridge between competence and connection. Brigham literally means a bridge between villages. If you feel like your communication is stuck in Suckville, let me be the bridge to take you to Awesome Town. I was on stage with Sharon Lechter, the co-author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, when she stopped me dead in the eyes and said, "More people need to know what you know." That moment, the Story Hook Method was conceived. Most meeting planners don't just want entertainment or motivation. They want transformation. What if you could change others' perspectives of you in an instant? With my simple 3-step process: book attention, make your story flow, gift the audience. I'll model how to capture hearts and command the room so you can too. Audiences don't just leave inspired, the whole experience gets them laughing, playful, and primed to take action. You can't use these frameworks and not have your life completely changed for the better. Turn your next event into an unforgettable experience. Book Brigham now.